This thing is clean, man. This is a nice one. On this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're picking up a 2006 Jeep Liberty. You see it?
It's back there.
You gotta get out of here.
I'll get out.
Don't look bad. Wow, that looks clean. That looks good.
Almost lost the tag.
Oh shit. That's because I let Tony put the damn things on. I guess he didn't tighten enough. To lose my tag. That thing's clean. 25 stickers. It's nice. I think this is going to be $19.99. That's nice, right? This is nicer than the other ones I have.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but look at the tires. It's got good 25 stickers on it. Problem. Alright, well, right there.
I only got one screw.
Just put it on there tight. You got a coin? Yeah, I can't lose no tags. This thing is clean, man. This is a nice one. I'll drive behind you. Should be alright. Well, actually, no. Let me see if we let me get something just to tighten it up. Looks like a trash can inside. It's not that nice. Looks nice outside.
I stole screw. Stole screw.
It's actually not that nice inside. Yeah, I forgot what I paid for this, but alright, I'll follow you. It's got good stickers. We're on 309 in Hatfield, passing by Manheim, Philadelphia. I used to go there every Tuesday and every Thursday and buy 10-20 cars a week, if not more. But I stopped going there because I found an alternative with much cheaper fees, and I can just go pick up the cars myself. Pick them up from each individual dealer, save fees, save money, and make more money off the cars. So that's what I'm doing now. Been doing that since COVID, 2020. See ya. This thing is gutless. Does it shift good?
It shifts good, but I think it's got a contract for.
But when you're driving regular, it drives fine? $16.99? Alright guys, we're back at the Hoopty headquarters. We're going to take this little 2006 Jeep Liberty for a ride. See how it runs.
You've got mail.
Yeah, this is going to be $69. That looks like a trash can inside. Alright, hop in.
So you want to drive this junk?
Come on, get in.
Sit there. Look how dirty this shit
Well,
is.
sit in the back. Get the hell in.
Dirty ass car.
Get in and shut up.
Go to the Chinese store. Huh?
It's your turn to buy. I bought yesterday. I got 25 stickers. August 25 stickers. That lady was.
Don't beat it. Don't beat it. The cat works clogged. Blowing it up. On the highway, it starts. What do you feel it when you get on the highway?
Just might need some fuel injection cleaner.
Nah, it's the converter. You hear it coming out the exhaust.
Oh, it's still gonna be $69 now. Because it's clean, it's inspected.
What lady you talking about?
The lady that came in the other day, she wanted to buy the Liberty.
They're picky.
Alright. Can't be too picky if you only have $1,700 to spend. Let's see. Whoever had this was a pig. This thing is dirty. Drive it normal, it's fine.
That's what I said, but don't beat it.
I'm not going to beat it. I'm going to sell this junk. The title should be in soon. That F150 is gutless. I took it to almost 100, but it's gutless. The 3 valves are junk.
Ford's a junk here. The only Fords that are nice are the new ones. Other than that, trash. You like Fords?
Not really, but
Walk around with a Ford hat.
you better talk to your brother. He's the one that gave it to me. My seatbelt on. This is going to drive me nuts. It's like the Ford's that damn seatbelt reminder. It's so annoying. It's going to drive me nuts.
It goes away because it went away.
Yeah, it's annoying, man. They need it. All the Fords I've been in, they have that stupid reminder. You got to put your seatbelt on if it keeps it up.
It goes away.
Put it on. It's going to drive me nuts. There you go.
There's a way around that. They sell clips that you put in there.
Mind your words, they have power to build or destroy. Lucky number for lucky one. For the lucky one. 52, 31, 15, 20, 16, 14. There.
Play the lottery.
Yeah. Trash can. Around it was a pig anyway. It's already pre-dirty. Whoever buys it can get it and feel at home. These are actually pretty good though. I have had good luck with these Jeeps.
They don't sell that good though.
Yeah, but they're actually pretty good Jeeps though. We're gonna have 3 of them now. After we pick the other one up Monday. So I always done good with these. And this one's got everything. Cruise, power windows, power locks, AC, all the good stuff. Stickers. I don't know, somebody screwed up. It says 102,800. There's no way they put 100,000 miles since then. 197.
Probably 202.
Yeah. Somebody screwed up.
They did a nice job on that.
Yeah, they spent a lot of money fixing that place up. I think it must be new owners then.
Yeah. Northeast Community Vehicle Inspections. I guess they must do everything now. Before it used to be a body shop.
Yeah.
Body shops, you can make a lot of money, but I gotta know how to do body work.
I used to do body work. I used to do paint, all that stuff. I used to work with insurance companies. I don't want to do any work anymore. Let me get some gas. It's junk.
You don't need gas.
It does need gas. By the time we get over there, it's going to need gas. I don't want to work. Let's see how long this dealer lasts.
Probably not long.
They're selling the high-end crap. Alright, this junk has got some gas now.
You got mail.
Oh my God, there's that seatbelt. Runs good, it was a good buy. I think I paid $500 for it. Put it for $16.99. Gotta check the oil and stuff. So one person's junk is another man's treasure.
Do you know how to drive?
Shut up, I don't care about this junk. Is it your car? No, shut up. Let me check the oil in this junk while we're here. Might not have any oil in it. Alright, we're at Hoopty headquarters number 2. Let's check the oil in this junk. Beautiful. Actually, no. Needs about a quart. It's a half a quart. Alright, we'll top it off when we get back to Hoopty headquarters number 1. Here's the Ford F250 I bought a little while ago. Title just came in. Time to put it for sale. $19.99. Look at that, nice and trashy already. 2008 F250. Yep, somebody buy it. Alright guys, there you have it. 2006 Jeep Liberty. Runs good. It's going to be $16.99. I keep buying these Jeeps because they're good. I haven't had a bad one yet. Looks like a trash can inside, but that's okay. It's got good stickers and it runs good. I have another one back here. And I have another one coming in. This one's available too, $16.99. This one's got 25 stickers too, but they're Jersey. Hoopty headquarters. It's where the Hoopties get one last chance before they go to the junkyard to be sold. Alright, do me a favor. Watch my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll be making videos as I bring some more cars in next week. It's Friday and we're done. Alright. Peace.